welcome to AndrewCarsonIllustration.com. We are continuing on with Chief the Dog, and this is part 2. We're going for values, gray tones, and highlights for Chief's body. We're doing all these values in black and white. Here we go. Let's check it out. Now I'm setting up some of those shadows that he's on something to show that he's like actually sitting on some kind of wood. And now we're establishing his hindquarters. Now we're setting in some of those darkest darks, working with the deepest shadows. Now we're getting into the deepest darks on his face. So these are really important to get in first, and then to build off of them after. So, I want to comment that you have to really reinforce these things over and over and over again. You got to hit these dark and light areas, all the places where the different values meet, the light and the darks meet. Yet you wind up reinforcing them every time you add in a new element to it. So once is never enough. You just got to keep on applying as you add more and more. And as color goes on, the same thing happens. These little pockets where lights and darks happen, they all get redone, relayered. It's a continual layering process all the way throughout. That just about wraps up part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. We will be applying some color over to Chief. And if you've enjoyed this video, please check out my blog at AndrewCarsonIllustration.com /blog. And that's it. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day.